What is good, you guys? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we are going to be drifting my E46. When I did do it the last time, I did it at night. This time I'm doing it in the day so you guys can see all the smoke and all that stuff. So I'm gonna put on the tire and then we're gonna be doing some skids. Let's get to it. Alrighty, y'all boys, it is time to do some skids. You guys can see, you can already see the marks that I already made. Let's do some skids. Make sure no one's coming. Dude, this is all for me, bro. That is hilarious. Actually, we should be in second gear. Oh, these bumps are terrible, bro. Bro, I still have not been able to weld this diff. Nobody wants to help me pull it out, bro. Alright, let's try to drift this. I should be able to. Oh god, these old people are gonna be mad. I have to. It's right here. That means I have to do it. Duh. Don't know if that person's gonna turn or not. Oh, is this a dead end? That's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a short video. It's just I can't really do too much on the cement with a open diff and stock suspension, so I gotta do with what I have. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.